In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve and reopen comment threads in a spreadsheet. Managing comments cleanly helps keep your work organized and your team aligned, so I'll walk you through how to open a comment, mark it as completed, and bring it back if more discussion is needed. Start by locating the cell that has a comment. You'll see a small comment icon near the top right corner of that cell. It often looks like a speech bubble or an indicator that there's a discussion attached. Click that icon to open the comment box. This reveals the full thread, including any replies, timestamps, and activity, so you can quickly understand what the conversation is about. When the point has been addressed and you're ready to close the loop, click Resolve in the comment box. Resolving marks the thread as completed. The cell's comment indicator will typically clear or fade, and the thread moves out of your active view so your sheet stays tidy. Don't worry. Resolving does not delete the conversation. The thread is preserved in the document's comment history, which keeps your record intact and makes audits or later reviews much easier. If a question comes up later or you need more clarification, you can bring that same thread back. Click the comment icon on the cell again to surface the thread. Even for resolved threads, there's usually a subtle indicator on the cell or in the interface that lets you access it. Once the comment box opens, click Reopen. This reactivates the thread, moves it back into the active list, and allows fresh replies. Reopening is especially helpful when requirements change, new data arrives, or a previous answer needs updating without starting a brand new thread. A few practical notes as you work. Interfaces can look slightly different across spreadsheet tools, but the core flow is the same. Open the comment from the cell's icon, use Resolve to mark it done, and use Reopen if the conversation needs to continue. If you don't see the icon right away, click the cell to make it appear. And if Resolve or Reopen isn't available, that may be due to document permissions or the current state of the thread. That's it. Open the comment by clicking the icon in the top right corner of the cell, resolve it when the task is complete, and reopen it from the same place if more discussion is needed. With these steps, you'll keep feedback clear, trackable, and easy to manage.